All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Eduardo Martinez, coming in from We Move Moving Company. Okay, so today is another great moving tip. I'm gonna show you how to pack a box. So this one, I got it from Home Depot. I think they sell really great prices. By the way, I'm not endorsed by them, sponsored by them in any way. I just decided to get a cheap box, right? Or at least a cost-efficient box. Okay, so let me explain a few things first. The small boxes, they're really meant for DVDs, maybe your dishes. They're gonna be for your cups, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's essentially the purpose of the small boxes. Now, the big boxes, you could use that maybe to pack in pillows, to put in your bed sheets, that kind of stuff. All right, guys, so this is just my recommendation. So let me show you how to properly pack the box, okay? So the way that we're gonna do it is start off with a smaller, shorter end. Okay, you can see this a longer end, this a lot shorter. So we're gonna put in the smaller end, and then we're gonna bring in the long one. Okay, so the way that I'm gonna do it is we're gonna put 3 lines of tape. The first one is gonna go like this. We're gonna put it about, I don't know, what is this, about 2 hands in, put it all the way back, or even if you don't have one of these, it's fine, you could do it manually. So I broke it. Okay, let's do it old school style. We're gonna bring it down at about halfway or about the same height, okay, and then to add extra support, you don't always have to buy heavy duty boxes like this one says. You know, I just decided to buy it because I thought I was going to put in a lot heavier stuff, but essentially adding extra tape will make up for that, I guess, for the quality per se, right? 2, and the final one, 3. So you can't really see it all that well. Maybe you could kind of see a little bit of a glare. There's 3 different lines, okay? Just kind of press down on them, also on the side, and you're ready to pack in your boxes. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what we're gonna put inside the boxes, right? We're gonna put DVDs. DVDs, this is horrible for the video, but guys, this is the kind of things that you're gonna experience whenever you're packing boxes, right? Okay, so first of all, DVDs, put them the long way in, okay? See how these flaps are? You're gonna wanna put them like this so the flaps don't get in your way whenever you're packing the DVDs. Okay. Well, they're a little bit tighter so they don't fall apart in my hands again. And for now, this is what I want you to see. Of course, you're gonna add another layer of DVDs and do the exact same process all over again. But basically, I just want to show you how to properly pack a box. Okay, guys, there's another tip from We Move Moving Company. I really appreciate you viewing this video. If you have any questions, concerns, if you have a different way of packing other than being all clumsy like I was, whatever, you know, put it down in the comments below. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time.